Welcome back. Our project today is we are going to put some landscape stones right here just to stop the erosion on the edge of our, I'd call it our patio or our deck system. So a couple things we got to do. I want to dig a little sand out of here right next to the pool so it's not caving in against the pool. Then I want to bring some black dirt up over here so we can plant grass. And we've got a bunch of landscaping pavers and just rocks from an old fireplace, the outside of a house basically. So we want to get all these in. The kids are going to help me. We're going to put this paper down so we don't have weeds growing up through it over the years. And it should be a fun project. I think the only thing we're trying to do is stop erosion. The second step would be to make steps so you could actually walk down here and grab a ball or skim the pool if you need to. So let's get started, guys. We got our landscape stones from Grandpa's house. These were from our last house, and there are landscape pavers in here. There's bricks, there's blocks, there's even some cultural stone in there. We're gonna unload all these from the trailer. We're gonna take them over to our workstation, and then we're gonna start getting busy creating something wonderful. Right, kids? I'm gonna let you guys design it for me. So see the center bolt, okay, and I'm gonna pull, you keep pushing. All right, got it. See how it's grabbing now?
Yeah.
Okay, here, pull a little pressure on this, honey, until I get it tight myself, okay?
Oh.
Right there, good, okay, now get out of the way. Go to the front. Not a big deal. Yeah, let's see if I can grab it here now. feel like
dirt?
what?
You won't need cars in the dirt. That's why I'm thinking those would be heavy. Well, put that. Actually, I think he's only
That
going to
one
make
for
a swirl there. Don't know if he's going to use. He asked me if he needs a short one. Can you carry that? One, Uncle Ken.
Peyton, you can put it on the ground. I don't know if he needs a big one.
Yeah, just set them in front of me right over there. This will be the last one.
She's got a half one if you need it.
There are more?
Yeah. Like that?
There you go. Now do what Peyton and Bryce did. What are you doing? Okay, just walk. It's okay.
You guys didn't.
Let it go.
Just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. Good.
I can take it.
Sorry.
Go.
Looks good.
Yeah.
What is this mat for? Still.
Maybe in dirt you'll have to.
I got one coming in.
We've got plenty of those, it looks like. So.
Any concern? And then step on this and bring it to me. There you go. Got it.
Get the next one down. The next red one. Get that. You don't have enough biscuits.
Back up a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
I thought you were.
Yeah.
All right. We're coming along.
You got any broken ones?
I don't.
You guys can walk down. Hey.
They got a few other ones you might be interested in.
Yeah. I did not plan on making this nice. I thought we were just gonna push rocks down. How did this turn into this? Yeah, I need more sand. Believe it or not. Give me.
My dad tried scaring me.
Can you stand there a second? Drop it on me.
Looks like you don't need.
It does look nicer.
Oh, good.
You want the other one like that?
Yeah.
She has 2 of them.
Just one more little square.
If you're good like that.
Yeah, I'll take it. Or if you don't want those. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, good one. How many of these? All right, I'll take just if you can lay them out. Yeah. Okay. Should I maybe get? Okay, why don't you guys get these rocks and stones and set them out? I was actually.
That's what I'm doing. They're throwing in the same spot.
We're all done. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.